Hello guys! In this episode, I'm going to teach you a very interesting technique. So now let's talk about this technique. If it's so crowded on your AutoCAD drawings, or for example here, or you have different types of layouts from a kitchen or bathroom, or maybe you wanted to refer to a specific detail. It takes you a long time when the project is heavy, but we can go to that detail with just one click. But how can we do this? Here we are going to learn how to do this. In doing so, first I create a layout here, and I get back to the model part, and I select the part or detail that I want to enter in. For example, here I have layout number 7. So I'm going to rename the layer that we made here so that I can find it easily. Those who have worked with AutoCAD knows the importance of layout. So I rename it as 07. And then here I remove the default drawings, and now I use the layout tab and I select insert view, and we enter the parts that we want to be led to into the layout, like here number 7, because there are too many of them and every one of them is big. I select them separately. I select the first one, I put this here, I select and I change the scale to 1:1, and again I make another insert. Now I get back to the number 7, 6, 7. I select it separately and I add it to this part. And now I'm going to create the legend here, and here I click on insert view, and now I return back to the layout number 7 here. This is the legend. Okay, now here I select it and enter. Now we get back and put it here. So now here I try to scale it a bit. So here I remove the unnecessary parts. So here I add up this layout. So it is so important for us to do this. So now guys, we want to enter that part by clicking on here. Now here I am creating a block. Here I create block and I name it lay 07, and we put our insert point here. The block unit is meter based on our scale. This part should be converted to block, and the important point here is hyperlink. I select it, then we select view of this drawing, layout number 7, and finally OK. And here click on select object, and then I consider this as the object, and then OK. And now if hold Control and click on it, it would lead me directly to layout number 7. Or here number 8, if you click on it, it would lead to the this detail. This technique helps you to switch between different types of details when your project is so heavy. You can apply this method from the beginning to do the job with more ease. Thanks for watching.